Okay, so this is just an explanation of how to do this assignment because it's kind of a lot going on, but it shouldn't be hard. So the purpose of this assignment is to get you ready to write your narrative that's an argument. Because the next module, you're actually going to start writing it. So this is like just kind of get the facts in your head. So back at the beginning of the quarter, you all picked your prompt. So you would have picked this one or this one or this one, or you would have decided to use the same prompt as your annotated bibliography. Now the assignment is you are going to research your prompt and write 10 facts about your prompt. And so what it should look like is this. So you should have your 10 facts. You want to cite them using in-text citations like this. And then a works cited page at the bottom. So the works cited, the source citations, that's the same thing you put in your annotated bibliography. Remember, you can use Purdue OWL MLA to create source citations, or I have all the source citations right here as well. So you list the 10 facts, and then you put the first word of the source citation in the parentheses. It's usually the author's last name, but sometimes that's not always the case. And by the way, this is another student's work, so it follows the format, but I picked something that I was positive nobody else was going to write about. So it's not the most pleasant topic, so don't read it too carefully. I'm almost like ashamed of how, Anyway. So once you have your 10 facts and your works cited page, then you write a 200-word free write. Like you start writing the narrative. So I just wrote a story that I read in one of those articles about how researchers, even humane ones that don't necessarily torture and kill their animals, but they do torture it a little bit. This is actually from a study on nurturing that researchers did where they basically tortured the little rat puppies and then gave them back to the mother and watched what the mommy rat would do. So, I mean, like, it's not, yeah. Anyway, that was the story I could tell. So once you have 200 words, then you're good. You just turn this in. So honestly, as long as you have the facts, 10 facts and a free write, you're good to go. I won't even read the free write. You just got to have something down because we're at that point where it's time to actually start writing your story. I don't know what just happened. Okay, so good luck. Email me if you have any questions.